how to fix Discord screen share stuck on loading. So if you want to fix your Discord screen share stuck on loading, then here are a few steps. The first one is you need to restart your Discord. I just don't mean closing the window Discord and then reopening it again, because it stays running in the background even when you exit. To fully shut down, you can right click the Discord icon near the system tray, which is on the bottom right, and then right click on it and then go with quit Discord. Once it's closed, reopen it and try screen sharing again. If that doesn't work, then you can restart your entire PC. Sometimes small system glitches causes Discord to act up, and a full reboot helps clear them out. Next, the second step is to check your internet connection. If your connection is unstable, Discord might struggle to start screen sharing. Open your browser and try loading a few websites or watching a video to see if your internet is running smoothly. If it's slow, restart your router, just unplug it, wait for 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. If you're using Wi-Fi, then try switching to a other network connection, or a direct connection is always more stable and can help avoid lag or loading issues in Discord. Now, the next thing you need to do is run Discord as an administrator. This gives Discord the necessary system permissions to function properly. You can close Discord completely, then right-click on the Discord, search for Discord, and then right-click on it. You'll get Run as Administrator option. You can click on Run as Administrator. If a pop-up asks for permission, you can click on Yes. And once the Discord launches, you can try screen sharing again, and this might fix your problem. If that doesn't fix, then you can turn off the hardware acceleration in your Discord settings. This feature is designed to improve performance, but sometimes it can cause the opposite effect, especially if your GPU isn't handling it well. To disable it, you can open up your Discord. After that, go with your settings, which is here on the bottom left, and then just scroll to advanced section and find the hardware acceleration. If it's enabled, you can just simply go and turn it off. Discord will prompt you to restart. Go ahead and do that. Once it reopens, try screen sharing again, and this will fix your problem. Or the last step, what you can do is clear Discord's cache. Discord stores temporary files that can cause issues. To clear them, you can press Windows plus R on your keyboard and then type %app_data %. After that, hit the enter. Find the folder named Discord, then look for the cache folder. Once you find the folder Discord, you can just simply go with cache, and here you can just simply delete this cache folder. You can open up this folder, and under cache data, you can see here you will have all of these files which are not useful. You can just simply press Ctrl A and then delete all of these. After deleting, you can go and restart your device. After restarting, problem might be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.